means like a main spot a bit for people to live here.
They'll have to build this road up a bit, aren't they? To get over there.
Well, I'll put something in there. Oh, yeah. Right, I did your breaking.
Okay, so what's the history of this place?
It's got a lot of different histories to it. Obviously it's a chateau, so it has a chateau history. Then it became a marine base. Then it became like a holiday camp for kids. And then it was abandoned.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is its moat.
Yeah. Obviously we've had a very dry season. So.
Bit overgrown. What are they for then?
Well, this used to be a big, you know, like the big, I would say parking lot, but that's not what you have in front of a chateau.
Okay.
Ornamental statues in the middle of it.
You've got little people on roof. Goggles and babies and women and stuff.
Yeah.
So was this part of the hospital, the chateau?
At one point, yes.
How you getting in here?
Walking over.
You have to kick the wall in a bit more.
Are you in, Joshy?
You like a chateau, don't you?
Joshy!
Dragging my leg over!
Come on, Rick!
Yeah, just leaving that one.
I said the roof wasn't like that last time.
That was that dodgy bit anyway. We won't be walking upstairs on that bit.
Why?
Well, I just look how the floor was built there. Look at the crisscross stuff. Oh, bat.
Is that a bat?
Yeah.
We've got bats. I should have bought a torch.
Wow.
Oh, Rick. Look at the fireplace.
Yeah, that's the floor with a carpet on top of
A bit of water damage, that's all.
Soon have that back up, won't we, Rick?
Yeah, we've got a bit of plaster, you never know.
No.
Yeah. It's not often you look up and see the carpet from upstairs.
No. Josh is getting excited. Bit of paint.
What does that look like? A mirror?
Nice marky floor.
Yeah, look at the like.
Look at the mouldings, yeah.
Arky drives.
It's strange the gap on the wall behind me.
Yeah.
Makes you wonder if they used to keep things in that.
Realised that there was that big a gap behind there.
It's thick,
Yeah, so there's the line of the mirror.
thick mirror as well.
Marble top.
Same the opposite side.
Where are you? You with abandoned building? You love abandoned buildings, don't you, Joshy?
Oh, they're there as well, look. They have mirrors in front of
Yeah.
the kitchen.
It's found as a cooker.
Okay, stairs.
So that's a cupboard that side.
Yeah, servant staircase. What's the
So the
toilet?
servants can get out.
Bad curry.
I think they built another building on there that's like just a breeze blocky sort of moderner building.
So that a bad curry.
But so yeah, that's the servants staircase.
Right. I can't see.
I don't know what this covering is.
What have you found?
Sure what that is.
Oh, it's almost woody a bit, isn't
Yeah, it's weird, isn't it? You broke it, Leslie.
I found you a cooker. I
got
found
me a
a
cooker.
pantry in the kitchen.
Lovely.
But
Any food?
no.
Yeah.
Oh, what's that?
No, after you.
There you go.
So,
You're already in it, Leslie. With the star of the show.
you got to make it real. Every time we come out of the door, it's got to be
That is some cooker, isn't it?
I reckon a bit of polish, it'll be right. There's a fridge in there, so I'll do it. Ah, this is good.
Hmm?
Oh, that's
Not sure what that would have had in it.
Nice old fridge. Well, I mean it was.
That is old.
This kitchen's nicer than that.
What's he say? What did you say?
You've been videoed, you're on camera.
Oh. So we climb through a window and there's an open door there. Every time. Joshy thinks that's funny.
Proof that the last place.
Grand entrance, the
They
staircase.
all come through this hole in the fencing, and I just pushed the gate open.
But a nice gate though, you could have that there. You know,
Yeah.
So what's that?
Look at this floor.
Really blocked up.
proper marble floor, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is nice.
Look at those. Did we ask you? Did
But
we
you
ask
see,
you?
this has been put in when they obviously had the hospital here, I think.
It was a smoke
All the
screen.
Marines, I don't
Do a smoke screen for your camera.
What the hell are you doing?
That's your smoke screen. After you've got to talk. Oh, this is disappointing. Concrete steps. I expected more.
Well, that's why they're still here.
Yeah, look at the
isn't
theme.
it? That's what the next-
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
wow, yeah.
Well, it's kind of up there.
Isn't it, Johnny?
So we're not going that way. Where the floor disappears.
I think there's a bit too much work for us to buy this.
I don't know.
Well, not too far, dear. This one's lit on the front.
The floor's moving under me. Oak window frames and the oak above the window, absolutely rotten.
Bit of woodworm.
That's not woodwind, that's people.
So I wonder what these rooms are for, probably a bedroom.
Oh, we've got a toilet, Nick.
Oh, I've just been for a wee.
Oh, we've got another staircase. Is that for the slaves?
Servants.
Someone's had a party here with McDonald's. So there's the top of the servants' staircase. Probably venture up there afterwards.
This is an apartment. You got another little thing in here. This is an apartment.
Lovely wallpaper. Look at that. Since the wallpaper, Rick.
Bit of art deco, aren't you?
Lovely.
It's
hole in the bath.
we need. We've not got a bath.
I don't think I'm going to buy this place because of this bath.
And I don't like Winnie the Pooh if that's Winnie the Pooh.
I don't know who that is. Not sure who that is.
Mrs. Winnie the Pooh.
Oh yeah, this is a kitchen, isn't it?
It says on the wall.
That says welcome.
Crazy wallpaper.
And fairy wallpaper.
This is the stuff that just rips off. It's brilliant.
My house was covered in this stuff
It's
when I
brilliant.
bought it.
We stripped it all off the convent. It just comes off on one
Yeah.
big sheet, doesn't it? I will still go to see what's there. Oh, there's another big one.
What a shame. The rest of the fireplace is gone.
That's alright.
Window balustrade. Absolutely trash though, this place. What a shame.
The final crusade or something.
The one with the woman.
We got that, Pooh.
They've all got women. No, with the.
Are we going up then?
Bat poo.
There's one where he discovers he's got a son.
I'm just watching the steps. It's moving.
Yeah, so am I.
I'll keep going, I don't want to be on this stuff.
You're alright. He's been here for 3,000 years.
So he's the one with the.
Give and take a few.
That's ghosts.
What was that?
I think we've got a phenomenon.
A bit of a tower just there.
That's a wardrobe without the drawer.
So it looks like the further up we get, the worse condition it is.
This is a good one because you've got cherries on the wall.
Oh yeah.
This is the cherry suite.
Look how stylish that is.
Got some good line of what we can do with this in there.
Are they the stables?
This
The
is
stables are back there, those buildings. This is like a courtyard. I've always assumed there must have been a clock on that building there.
Do you think it would have been a Timex?
What's through there? Those blocks, is it? Yeah. What are you looking at? Hmm. Okay.
No, we are the peasants.
We are the peasants.
Oh, the rooms are quartered as well.
This line was brilliant. It's a shame we couldn't rip this up for that toilet. We could do the strip.
Don't strip on camera, Rick.
Oh, this is where that hatch goes through.
That might give us some views.
Oh yeah, I can
We might lose a load as
You
well.
might lose all of them actually. in fact.
I wouldn't trust this floor. You don't know what's under the carpet.
I reckon the floor.
Oh, what's left of it?
Yeah.
I don't know. I think that's. Oh, see, look at that. I've just nearly put my foot through the floor.
We'll let the women go first then. Ah, it's just eating, isn't it? That's the little water pipe that goes through the building.
Yeah, I think that might have been a bit of an expansion thing that we've just looked at.
What are we going up again? Oh, what's down there? Ah, so this is this above that room downstairs? We're alright. Check over there.
Oh wow, look at this floor.
Yeah.
You can see you've got view onto the island.
That's pretty cool room, isn't it? Look at that woodwork.
Yeah.
You next to this, didn't you? You've got new lem, new guttering, new roof. That'd be it. Oh, you know, if we had this, we've got a brilliant mortar for our boat here. We stick our boat coat in that and love it.
But that's an island there, that's what I like. You've got a little bridge across to this island. And the way it goes round.
That's cool.
Look at the trees, look at the size of that tree.
That's in this room now.
That's the one that I'm like. That tree must have seen.
It's outlived the chateau, hasn't it?
You could jump over that, I reckon. Give it a go.
I'm gonna say no.
What's that, sir?
Have you ever licked the two balls of a man?
Ooh.
Have you, Rick?
Well,
Rickety Rick.
I don't remember doing it, but it's not impossible.
You could have been drunk, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Right at the top, aren't we?
Yeah. Nice view from that.
Look at that. Look how crooked that is. That was a straight door at one point.
Oh yeah.
That's dropped about half a foot.
And there's a big hole there. And there's a big crack there.
That's just where the building's falling apart, isn't it?
The floor is just like
Yeah, that's lino, isn't it?
going.
It's just going same with this one.
It's collapsed. The building.
Yeah, nice crack here. What a shame, it's a beautiful building.
It's only water damage, most of it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Water that does it.
Yeah.
Well, I'm human, unfortunately.
How much is it?
Even the servants had wonderful views.
Yeah, they've got their own sink and...
Yeah, because these are the servant rooms, aren't they? Yeah, I forgot
What I
about that.
find crazy is these are the servant rooms and they get that room.
Yeah,
bet they
Which
didn't.
is quite nice.
true.
But
I reckon that's what the whipping room. If you know, that's where they used to.
Shall we go back in, Rick?
Yeah, the punishment room.
Shall we go back in? I'd always be in trouble, Rick.
Yeah, you just like it. don't you?
Imagine when it's
Somebody else go first.
Yeah, it's all good. Is this where we came up? Be careful of the invisible banister. Good job we didn't have our flip-flops on. So, I think we need to find the basement, Mr. Nick.
We do need to find the basement.
I think if you go around there with your torch...
Shall we go back down here?
This is the demolition, not that room upstairs.
This is the gimp room.
What's in there?
That's
Bit of a cupboard.
it's just a closet for linen. Can you see your steps, Leslie?
Yeah.
At least if the floor goes now, you can really not go that far to go.
I prefer it didn't.
Toilets.
This is where we come in, isn't
With the basement. Surprised it's not a basement. Is that the old chateau?
This bit, yeah, there's a whole other bit there, but I don't know if we can get into it.
This block just looks bigger from the outside.
There was another staircase the other end.
Yeah, but it was the other side of that hole that we couldn't get across at the top.
Do you reckon someone's hung themselves on it? They've got a finger in there.
I reckon so.
I reckon that's for hangings.
That was me thinking of like Rapunzel and fairy tale thing.
So we're not doing that bit, are we? There's the second bit.
You're not convincing me there's no basement.
There is in that one. I think there is. Whoa.
It's huge.
It is.
What the buzzing noise? Yes.
What's in here?
Something buzzing.
Oh, what?
Someone's left a vibrator on.
Must be Duracell.
Oh, look at that archway.
Have you found it?
What is it?
No, I meant have you found where the buzzing's coming from?
What's that then?
Let's be careful of the buzzing.
Nice bit of moulding.
I love this.
What was it?
The greenhouse.
A greenhouse.
Yeah.
It's like an enchanted.
It's beautiful.
Someone the other way.
I think there's a lot of weeds growing. So this is really impressive, the old greenhouse. There's more of these moulding things. I wonder what these were for. So the shelves where they'd have probably kept the plants and grown them. Some of the original glass still in there, but a lot of it's smashed, unfortunately. I love it. It's really atmospheric, isn't it?
Yeah. People try and create things like this for films, don't they?
Yeah.
So this is glass at the end.
Yeah, I'm not getting through there though. Rick, there's a hornet wants to meet you.
So this was clearly a later add-on, wasn't it? It's
Yeah.
nowhere near as ornate.
No, the ceiling looks quite plain, doesn't it?
I think this must have been a coach house. Look at the big archway in the middle.
Yeah, I think you're right. And it's got some ornate stonework on the top.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think that was a coach house.
But I love this sort of courtyard bit. You can imagine a clock up there.
Do you imagine the clock, Josh? What are you imagining? You like it? He's going to jump out on us from somewhere, isn't he? Yeah.
Yes, I'm correct. Oh, there you
What you found, Rick?
Buildings.
Oh, wow, look at these. Oh dear.
Oh, Josh, you coughing.
Oh dear.
Are you coughing?
Can you be quiet when you're choking? I'm filming.
And that's it. I can't believe it.
The old column barge on the front. So it looks like these storage or garages or something. Very odd place.
I landed.
That's nice and quiet about it.
Like, they didn't used to call me a cat burglar.
So this was a hospital?
I think this was an administrative part of it.
Okay.
I believe it was built for the Marines originally.
Oh yeah, there's things for cards here. Ah yeah, long séjour, so long stay. So this is for the hospital, yeah.
This is like a reception room or something like that.
Ooh.
Oh, that shuts. Oh, yeah.
What's that? Oh no, it's something.
A light. Oh my god, look at the size of that spider.
Where?
Oh, I never heard that one in it. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That's massive.
That's a bloody tarantula.
That's an Indian wood spider.
Jesus.
I know.
Does it chop trees down?
I don't know, I've got from Indian to eat.
Why is the poo in piles?
Why did they just poo in specific places?
I don't know, but it's the spider I didn't like. Jesus, yeah, look, big pile.
What the hell? What's the matter again? There's another one.
God, we're not getting in our car after with all the shit on the feet.
Well, it's the same in there as well. It's all below the
There must
line.
be millions of them in here.
Yeah, where are they?
There's one.
Oh, there's a bat.
What are we looking for?
Rat.
Oh.
That's not bad.
Is that a bat?
Yeah.
Is there a moon?
He's sleeping. It's big there.
Everything was there, Tom.
Oh, what's the problem? I can see him, but I can't see him.
Yeah, no, Batman.
If next camera, I can just got spots in the eyes now.
Sorry, mate.
That's alright.
No, but that's a, it is that
Poo.
It's that wow. No.
Oh yeah, look.
That's really cool.
Yeah, don't walk under the bat.
Did you know that too is is top?
Really? Yeah.
Another one in it. No, keep away from me. Keep away from me. No. It's cool.
Bigger one, flying. Don't be scared, it's only a little flying rat.
Wow. Oh, what was that? What was that from here?
Oh, I don't want to see it.
Jesus.
That's so cute. Look at them all together.
Cute.
They are cute things.
Look at that one hanging out of there.
Isn't it how COVID started?
Yeah, what if we start it again?
Oh, look, if
Would be amused.
they go in the middle bits like that.
They just fit in here.
Fucking things.
I've also been here a long time, so that amount of food.
It's really good though. At least this building's like serving a purpose.
Yeah.
And that might mean that I might knock it down.
Ah, yeah, you can't. That's a protected bat.
We need some bats near us.
garden.
Yeah, we've got that.
But it's a lot smaller. They're quite big, aren't they?
They are big.
Nice downstairs.
I like them stairs.
They're still very sort of administrative, aren't they?
Yeah.
It could be a battlefield.
At least with stairs like this, you know that they're going to be around. Yeah.
This is bigger than the chateau.
We've got 8, these are just bedrooms.
Are they?
See, that's where we get the deck from.
That's cool.
What?
The big openings in between the rooms.
I don't know.
That looks like a more recent modification, doesn't it?
It might be in case they got double books. It'd be a waste of traditional one.
I don't know what it was. There's different numbers on the doors.
Yeah, well, they've all got numbers.
This is number 10.
This is number 12, yeah.
Where's 13? Do 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 do.
Sometimes they don't put them in, do they? They don't have fancy floor
I know.
buildings. 12.
Actually, the French are very superstitious.
13 is here.
Oh. That late.
No back up here.
No boat.
The big room for beds.
Yeah, this would make a hospital room, wouldn't it?
There's no things on the wall.
Strange.
What was it, Josh? Did you have any insight on the building?
I just don't understand why all the walls have been knocked through.
Okay. I knew what that was.
And this one is different. Like it's
We're not alone.
well, no, it's quite big.
Is that Rick?
That's it. Buttons.
Oh. Gotta get it there, yeah. What is that?
Ridiculous, isn't it?
Hello. Hello. Monkey.
It's like Deji. You're landing.
What's this?
That's just another toilet.
Yeah.
See, somebody's taken all the toilets out.
They left the handrail on.
So high, the ceilings.
Maybe they used to have tall people.
Maybe it was a giant hospital.
The back's got lights.
Oh, some Red Bull one.
Gives you wings, that.
I thought they'd been away.
I reckon Gulliver stayed here.
Just like they can get in and out.
Probably safer down there, mate.
I have been.
You just hang the lights, it's nice.
What, did you not see them all downstairs?
Weird.
Hundreds down there. They were like in puddles.
We're going into the back cave.
Oh, no. But I'm not getting the back room with you, know.
Oh, we've come out of where it's all small. Look at this.
Yeah. It's the trading spot.
Ah, this is...
This is the attic though. That's probably where the sun's back. Oh yeah, they're just like flying around like crazy.
You see the bats?
Fucking hell, there's a lot of bat shit in it. Oh my god, they're everywhere. Josh, you don't understand.
I thought they were supposed to sense where you are.
Oh, they don't hit you, have they?
You nearly did.
Look at that one, yeah.
Just as long as they don't bite or scratch you, they carry
Go on, let's get out of
They
here.
don't normally.
Alright, you're not selling it to me.
Bats don't attack you.
They brought the rabies, they brought the plague.
Some of them do, some of them love your blood.
COVID.
Go on, Vince.
As if they change into a person, you want to worry.
Bats have got such a bad rap.
Well, yeah.
They're the
Let's imagine
cutest
if they were
little
vampires.
things.
Imagine if they were vampire bats. That's not good.
I don't think they literally get on your neck and stuff.
No, but they do like your blood.
Yeah, just don't cut yourself because I'll smell it.
But they can, if the things like, if they spy them, they can kill you.
Well, Dracula turned into a bat.
Is that it?
That's it, let's get out of the back here. Oh, come on then. Have a snog on camera.
That's going on YouTube.
I've got to put more effort in when I'm on camera.
Where are we? We're
We're
at
in the middle of the woods, in a haunted forest, which is surrounded by beavers. We're going beaver hunting.
Oh, I like a bit of beaver. I can't put that on YouTube.
Of course you can, they love it.